Okay, so this is absolutely beautiful. It's an Alexander Wang Rocco, and it is just the most incredible colour. Now on the website, I've called this peachy tan, but I'm not really quite sure what colour to call it. And we just had a customer come in, and I asked her what she would call it. Very stylish lady. I said, what colour would you call this bag? She said straight away, she said muddy pink, which I thought was also a very marvellous description of the colour. So I don't know what colour you'd call it, but it's got a real warmth to the tone of this bag, and it's that beautiful pebbled leather. So it has of course got the studs on the base, which are wonderful. It's got double top handles. It's also got a longer strap. Now this strap has got the shoulder guard. It's also removable, so you can take it off. We have got Alexander Wang that way. I don't know if that's going to focus, maybe yes. And it's also adjustable. Okay, so I'm going to talk you through the bag in a second. I'm just going to do the size so you can see the size of the bag. As always, the exact measurements are on the website, but this just helps to put it into some kind of perspective. So I am about 5'4". I'm about a UK size 8'10". This bag is currently on the shortest setting, so you could make it longer if you wanted to. I think crossbody on me, I want it a little bit longer than that. I'm going to just hold it in the crook of my arm so you can see that as well. You can see how lovely the bag is. It has got a definite tan look to it, but there's like a warm salmon-y colour to it as well. So it comes with the Alexander Wang Just bag. So let's just show you. So as I said, the studs on the base. On the side, in the fold, there is a sneaky little pocket inside there. Okay. It is a zip top closure, and then inside, it's black inside, a lovely nice space. There's one zipped pocket there, and that's got the Alexander Wang tag underneath it. And then on the other side, there is two flat pockets, and attached to, where is it, the zip on the inside pocket, it has got the Alexander Wang product tag still attached to it. So, condition, it's excellent. The exterior is excellent, the interior is excellent, the hardware, all of it, is excellent. I don't think it's ever been used. It's just absolutely beautiful and pristine. I love this bag. I love the shape of the bag. I love the colour. I love it's got those studs on the base, gives it a bit of kind of like gravitas to the bag. And what I love about the colour of the bag is the gold hardware is like pale gold. So it really kind of complements the bag. I think it's beautiful. So there is a link to this bag on our website. If you go to my comments below the video, there's a link that will take you there. We've got all of our pre-owned luxury bags, purses, wallets, all on there. When you're on the website, sign up to our newsletter because we will send you a discount code for your first purchase. 10% off your first purchase. Dead easy to do. Scroll to the bottom of any page on the website, this little box, put your email address in. We will immediately send you an email to verify, and then we'll, after you've done that, immediately send you your discount code that you can enter at the checkout. If for any reason you don't get those emails through, it's because it's gone into your spam folder. So check your spam folder if you don't get them straight away, and then add us to your address book, because then it will go straight into your inbox, and all the discount codes you want going in your inbox, not in your spam. In the comments below, I've also put a link to Instagram, so come and follow us on Instagram. And subscribe to this channel. We've got Armcandy coming in every single day. So if you like bags, purses, wallets, bag straps, all of that kind of thing, subscribe to this channel, set up your alerts so that you don't lose out on your dream bag.